Hi guys, how are you all? So today in this video I am going to be telling you guys how to make sugar wax at home. It is going to be very easy, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to have beautiful hairless body, and if you want you can use it on your face as well. So let's see what you need. You need sugar, water and lemon juice for this. Take 4 cups of sugar, granulated sugar, you can go for this, just don't go for brown sugar. And after that add a cup of lemon juice. I got this one from Amazon, so I'll make sure that I give all the links in the description box below. This is the mixture we got after mixing all of these things together. After that, we need to boil it. Now switch on the heat and start heating the mixture on the highest heat. Now once it comes to boiling point, then we are going to reduce the heat to the medium, but in the meantime you need to do it on the maximum heat. Now keep the temperature between 250 to 265 degrees because we are going to make it for coarser and thicker hair. So this is the temperature we're going to be requiring. It is going to take a while, guys. A while, I mean 10 to 15 minutes. You're going to be very patient in the kitchen. In India it is very humid and hot, so I was sweating literally. So you need to whisk it, keep stirring the solution, and the first few minutes you won't be able to see any difference, just few bubbles on the top, nothing at all. The color is not going to change very sooner, and this process is literally very boring. I kept checking on the temperature, nothing was happening. After some time you will be able to see that it is turning into a little bit of honeyish yellowish color, and suddenly it is going to change its color. So you need to take care, guys. The last 3 to 4 minutes are going to be very crucial. Okay, so after checking the temperature I'm going to pour the mixture in a container and I will wait for 30 to 40 minutes till it's get cooled down.
Hi my lovely ladies, so an application called as Pankhari. Now this is made for all the amazing women like us, and the tagline of this application is women's community to know, glow and grow. Isn't it inspiring? We want to learn a lot of things related to beauty, makeup, hairstyle, baking, and we also have a lot of questions related to them, right? So on this Pankhari app you can ask all of these questions and only experts are gonna answer them for you. For example, if you want to know how to cure acne, you're gonna get an answer instantly. Pankhari app even provides you masterclasses related to hairstyle, baking, beauty, how to make shampoo, soap, etc. And the classes start from rupees 11 to 500. So guys, learn according to your interest and ask questions from expert, and Pankhari app even provides you certificate for these masterclasses. Isn't it cool, guys? And in case you miss any of the live classes, you can go and check out the class recordings. The link to the application is going to be in the description box, guys. Just go and check it out for yourself.
Now once you are done, guys, you can look at my legs. Enough hairy they are, but I really wanted to do this experiment and show you guys on camera that this things really work, because on the past videos I keep getting on comments that it doesn't work at all, the wax is very hard and sort of those things. So yes, just take the mixture because it's cooled down now, make it in a bowl and apply it all over the area wherever you have hair. It is not going to be hot. It was on a lukewarm kind of a temperature, not going to burn you at all. So I do not recommend you guys to use it when it's hot, and immediately you will see that your hair are removed. Now one thing I want to tell you guys, it is almost painless. Okay, when you use the wax with the strip you can feel the pain, but with this I felt no pain at all. Now my hair were thicker and coarser enough, and I was scared before waxing because I thought that it is gonna hurt a lot, but to my surprise, guys, it did not hurt. Now it is gonna take all the hair away. You do not need to worry about that, and you can use one batch thrice. After that it is gonna turn very hard, so you won't be able to use it. So I was trying different method. The more you spread it, it is gonna work out beautifully. Okay, so I tried to spread it on larger area so that it can cover more hair, and in one go it is going to remove all the hair. That is the reason I'm showing you the results on camera, and this is how I kept doing it. Now if you want to use it on your face, because the facial hair are not going to be very thicker and coarser, so when you make the wax, just keep the temperature lower than what I have showed you in the video. I will make sure, if you guys want, I can make another batch of wax and the video showing you guys how to remove facial hair, and you guys can see for yourself. It worked amazingly well for me, and the quantity I showed you are going to be enough for both of your legs. I hope you guys like the video. In case of any queries, please let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much.
If you haven't downloaded the Pankhuri app yet, what are you waiting for? Just go and download the app now.